Hello everyone, I'm Shambhavi from Progressive Science Education, and as I explain you whole chapter of class 8th, that is chapter 4, materials, metal and non-metal. So in this video I will give you some important key terms, some important topics and some important question and answers and give reasons. So firstly I wanted to know you all that what important topics we was discussed in last video. So that are physical properties of metals and non-metals, chemical properties of metals and non-metals, uses of some common metals and their reactions, and uses of some common non-metals and their reactions with oxygen and with water, with acid, with bases and their displacement reaction. Okay. So let's get started from key terms. So first is conductor, a substance that allow electricity and heat to pass through it. Ductility, property of metal due to which these can be drawn into thin wires. Element, a pure substance made up of same types of atoms. Malleability, property of metal due to which these can be beaten into thin sheets. Metalloids, elements showing properties of both metals and non-metals. Sonority, property of metals due to which they produce ringing sound on hitting. Question and answers. So question number 1. Why is iron used in the construction of buildings, bridges, railway lines? So आपको पता है कि आयरन बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होता है, इसीलिए हम लोग उसे बिल्डिंग्स, ब्रिजेस और रेलवे लाइंस में यूज़ करते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट इट दैट iron is a strong, hard and tough enough, hence it can resist high load, stress and strain. Also it is capable to lift a load of different things at same time, hence it is used to construct buildings, bridges, railway lines, etc. Now question number 2, that is magnesium and copper metals are heated directly over a flame. Which of the two will burn in the air? So in magnesium and copper metals are heated directly over a flame, magnesium being more reactant and having less boiling temperature, so it burns presence of air, whereas copper turns red hot but does not burn. Now third question, do non-metals also undergo displacement reaction? Give an example. So answer, yes, non-metals also undergoes displacement reaction, and displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution. Okay, for example, chlorine displaces bromine from bromides. As you see in this example, that KBr, that is potassium bromide, plus Cl chlorine, and KCl, that is potassium chloride plus bromine, मतलब उसको displace कर दिया उसने. Now some important topics that you have to learn from the chapter. So that are difference between metals and non-metals. It is very important question and mainly asked in exams. You know, ये बहुत ही important question है और ये mainly exams में पूछे जाते हैं. ये long में भी पूछ सकते हैं, short में भी पूछ सकते हैं. So you have to learn it. Okay. Next point, displacement reaction. Next is reaction of metal and non-metal with oxygen. It is very important. And list of industrial uses of metals and non-metals. Now some give reasons that you have to learn. So first give reason is metal are used to make strings of musical instrument. आपको पता है कि मेटल्स को म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए क्यों, उसका स्ट्रिंग बनाने के लिए क्यों यूज़ किया जाता है? बिकॉज मेटल्स हैव द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सोनरस विच अलाउ देम टू प्रोड्यूस गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ साउंड, एंड फॉर दिस रीजन मेटल्स आर यूज टू मेक स्ट्रिंग्स ऑफ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. And copper bottom utensils are used for cooking. Answer, copper is a good conductor of heat, so utensils are used for cooking. And sodium is kept in kerosene while phosphorus is kept in water. So answer, sodium is very reactive metal and the moment it comes in contact with air, it catches fire. Therefore sodium is kept in kerosene as sodium does not react with kerosene. So revise whole chapter carefully and this chapter is very important. इसमें जो reactions मैं बार बार कह रही हूँ, जितने भी reactions हैं उन्हें आपको अच्छे से learn करना है, especially metals वाले, और मैंने आपको difference जो बोला है metals and non metals का, उन्हें भी आपको अच्छे से learn करना है. So thank you for watching my video, and if you all like my video, So please like, share, subscribe, and if you all have any doubts regarding any topic, so please tell me in comment section. And next video I will give you in with the next chapter. So okay, bye bye and take care.